Hi guys, let us see how to insert an Excel sheet into a Word document. So I have a Word document open. Then you'll have to go to the table session under insert tab, and then from the drop down select Excel spreadsheet. So this is how it appears. So if you want to increase the page, go ahead and do that by dragging it. Okay. So you can do all the functions as you do it in an Excel sheet. The same way you can do it here as well. So let me give some serial numbers here. Serial number. And suppose the names A, B, C, D, F, G, H, and uh, s- suppose the marks for a subject is 25, 20, 22, 23, 21, 20, 25, 21. So this is his marks. So let us do a sum of this. If you just give a sum formula, you can get the total sum of it. If you want to find an average of it, go ahead and apply average formula. You'll get the details. So now you have filled in the data. You just have to delete the unwanted cells. So just go ahead, click on hide. Now out of this Excel sheet, just click once. If you see, this is how the table would appear. So again, if you want to go ahead and do some changes, again double click on that. You'll get the Excel sheet open and you can do the changes. So suppose here, if you see, I missed to do a formatting. So let me do a formatting for it. So if you see, the data appears with the formats.